In view of the shortage of labor and high construction cost, the industry is promoting DFMA and MiMEP. However, the current procurement of works contract and trades practice are not ready for this change. The project-specific designs are generally large units, which limit mass production and create difficulty for maintenance. Arup believes the standardization in MEP designs by modular approach can achieve our goal towards decarbonization. We propose a modular approach for MiMEP in the design stage, facilitating wider adoption and speeding up the construction progress. Our modular MiMEP design employs block modules of flexible quantities to formulate a MEP plant system. Each block module is composed of standardized submodules to facilitate manufacturability and reusability. The concept is applied in two categories: plant equipment and system distribution path. A chiller set module with water-cooled chiller is composed of chiller, chilled water pump, condenser water pump and cooling tower. With modular design, the chiller plant is formed by identical chiller modules. Adding standby pumps can increase system reliability. Modular design in fire services pump module can achieve scalability. The fire services system is built up by duty, standby, and jockey pump modules to increase reliability and resilience. Water supply module can apply modular design concept to achieve scalability as well. Setting up an identical standby module can maintain system reliability as conventional systems. Power module consists of high-voltage power supply, main low-voltage switchboard, cable distribution risers, and distribution boards. The low-voltage switchboard is under modular design as well, grouping electrical, HVAC, plumbing and drainage, fire services switchgears, and separate them into individual cubicles. Under the modular design of distribution boards, each MCB is filled up sequentially for final circuit delivery. More distribution board modules can be added to suit final circuit quantity. Four types of frames are proposed for taking up various weight of MEP services. Type A to C are for general application, whereas Type D is for heavy-duty application. Due to the standard length of MEP services, 6-meter and 3-meter standard modules are established for reducing material waste during construction, and the hanger interval is 1 meter. Also, a non-standard module is designed to fulfill any length in the corridor. Here is an example of installing the modular multiple support in space. Arup's modular MiMEP design aims to produce standardized shop drawings to facilitate mass production and economy of scale, eventually speeding up the construction time and lowering the project cost. By repeating the use of similar plant block modules, it creates identical user experience for all kinds of project owners. We can also access the carbonization process throughout manufacturing and evaluate them to realize decarbonization.